Once there was an octopus. He lived at the bottom of the sea. One day he saw a box of jewels. He wanted to take them all. He grabbed one jewel with each arm. He could not get them all at once. There were two left. He swam to his cave and set the jewels down. Then he turned and swam out again. Remember when you are reading to speak clearly all the letters of the words. So make sure you say box. Don't say box. Say box. So all the words sound loud and clear. Or cave. Not cave. Make sure we can hear clearly. Swam. Not swam. How many jewels were in the box? Here it says he grabbed one jewel with each arm. How many arms does an octopus have? Well, remember that he couldn't take them all. And there were two left. So he had to go back for two. That will help you answer the question. The octopus was, do you think he was greedy, kind, or funny? It says here, he grabbed one jewel with each arm. He wanted to take them all. Greedy, kind, or funny? What did the octopus do next? That means, what did he do after he swam out of the cave? Think about this one here. What did he do next?